Is sport too commercial these days?
Yes, I think sport is too commercial these days. Now, sport is not meaning representing one's country. It's more about making money. In cricket, it used to be about one country against another, for example, India against Australia, but now it's more to the club things. So it's not really about sports anymore, it's more about making money.
Do people watch too much sport?
Yes, they do watch too much sport. Maybe because they don't have time or they don't have the energy to do it after hard work all day. But yes, I think they prefer to stay inside and watch the game.
Does sport get too much attention?
Yes, I think sports get too much attention, especially in Australia. You can get news on the media about everything. A lot of things apart from the game itself.
What effect does sport have on society?
I think sport brings good to society. It brings healthier society and happier society. I once read that when you do exercise, when you're exercising, your body releases this hormone that makes you happy. So I guess being a very active society, it means that you have a healthy, happier society. It's the way you express your opinion that matters.